Is it better to be thick or long? It's one of the most debated and misunderstood questions in men's sexual health. Today, we'll break down what actually matters when it comes to sexual pleasure, what science says about size, and why most men are worrying about the wrong thing. Hey, I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley, and I talk openly about men's health, confidence, and sexuality, especially for men over 50. If you've ever compared yourself or wondered what your partner truly feels during intimacy, this video is for you. 1. Where pleasure comes from. For people with vaginas, most nerve endings are concentrated in the first 2 to 3 inches. That means penetration depth doesn't always matter, but contact and pressure do. 2. Length. Often overrated. While length grabs attention in media and porn, it's not the main source of pleasure. In fact, going too deep can be uncomfortable or even painful. 3. Girth. More contact, more sensation. Girth or thickness tends to create more friction and pressure during sex. Studies show many women report higher satisfaction with partners who have greater girth over length. Why? Because of closer contact with vaginal walls and more surface stimulation. 4. What real surveys say. Most studies show women prioritize communication, foreplay, confidence, and yes, girth over length if they had to choose. But neither is a deal breaker when there's emotional connection. Porn sets the standard. Porn is made to exaggerate size for the camera. It's not a realistic standard, and it often leads to unnecessary insecurity. Bigger equals better. Not true. Most partners care far more about technique, trust, and how you make them feel. Sexual pleasure is about more than physical size. Focus on confidence, emotional connection, foreplay, and technique. Understanding your partner's body. You can't control your size, but you can master everything that actually leads to satisfaction. So what's better, thick or long? Science leans slightly toward girth, but in truth, it's your connection, attention, and presence that your partner will remember. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe. We talk about the things most men are afraid to ask, with honesty and respect.